Hey, what's going on? Did you just receive a bad or a fake Google review? It was probably from either one of your competitors or a past employee. My name is Brett from Mindsaw, website design and SEO specialist. Today I'm going to show you how to combat those bad and fake reviews as well as get some good ones. So stay tuned. I know I could help you. So you just received a Google review and you're incensed. I know for me, I check my phone in the middle of the night sometimes, and I seen a review come by about 2 months ago from an Ashley Anna who states, not satisfied with their services. Team was not professional. Also, not have manner to talk with clients. I had to get this email at 2 o'clock in the morning, and now think about it. And I put a lot of work into my business as well. I'm sure you do with yours. And it's one thing when a client's not happy, but to have a competitor or maybe somebody who used to work for you create a fake name and put out a fake Google review or Yelp review really hurts. So I did some research on the web and I was thinking about some things to do. And you know what? It's just real simple. Hi, Ashley. Thank you for your feedback. However, we really can't verify you as a client in our database. We take customer feedback very seriously, so if you could please get in touch with our manager directly at development so we can get this issue resolved as a matter of urgency. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Whatever you want to say. And that's it, and just move on. Anybody who's going to read that Google review, they're going to see that we couldn't find them in the database, but we're willing to help them. If they were a client, we're willing to help them, but we can't find them in our database. You may have made a mistake, something like that. But you need to respond to all your reviews, good and bad. I seen somebody else put, they had a restaurant, and they put, Joe Smith says, worst meatball parmesan in Manhattan. You know, come and taste, now this is what it said, come and taste the worst meatball parmesan that Joe Smith ever had. And they put a sign out front of their restaurant that said that. And I like that. I like things like that. I think it's funny. First of all, I never ate a bad meatball parmesan sandwich. I think that's impossible. So, you know what? If I was hungry, I may want to stop in and order that. So you need to make these Google reviews work for you, not against you. You can't marry your reviews, meaning you can't let that ruin your day. You got to let it slide off, and then you need to do 3 things for your business. People try to attack my business or people that I work with, not all the time, but once in a while. When somebody does something like that, very, very simple. I'm just going to do 3 things for my business that I wouldn't have done that day. So what I'm going to do after I receive that Google review is I'm going to create a Google link. I'm going to write a very nice email to several of my clients. And I'm going to say, can you please just click this link? And I'll show you how I create the link in the next slide. But can you please just click this link and give me a 5-star review? I wasn't going to ask for 5-star reviews that day. But you know what? Ashley Anna had to give me a 1-star review saying that I have not manner to talk with clients. Then you know what? I'm going to get 3 good reviews today. And you know what? That day I just got 4 reviews, 1 being bad, 3 being good. Makes me look more authentic anyway, that I don't have 200 5-star reviews. I mean, let's face it, that's what I want, but that's not how the cookie crumbles. So in the next section, I am going to show you how to create a link very simply to send to your clients. You could not tell your client, go to Google and leave me a 5-star review. They don't know how to do it. You need to write them an email You need to provide the short link. All they have to do is click the link. So let me show you how to do that. It's real simple. So let me show you the easiest way to provide a short link to your clients. Go to this website I like to use. It's called whitespark.ca. And if you notice up on top, it's Google Review Link Generator. I'll put that link in the description box below, so you'll just have to click it. You don't have to worry about copying it down. You'll notice in the map area, you could just put a business name in. I put in USA Hockey Arena Plymouth. And this hockey arena came up. You could put in Phil's Plumbing, put in plumbing, anything you want. Okay, Plum Market. There you go. All right. And you'll notice that the short link shows up right underneath. Just click this little copy. Okay. Then open up your email. And you could write a subject something like this. Hi, please review my business. Or whatever your subject that you want to put. Hi, whatever the person's name. Would you please take a moment to review your experience you had with my company by giving us a 5-star review? Here's the link to the 5-star review. So I copied and pasted and put it in the link. Now, if they're on a desktop computer or if they're on their mobile device or a tablet, it's going to work on everything. All they do is click the link. I'll show you what I mean. They'll click the link and they'll go right to the page where they'll be able to provide a link, provide the 5-star review. So they'll click the 5-star review. They'll share their details. They had a great experience at the hockey arena, or at the plumber did the great job, whatever the situation is. Okay, and then they click post. Okay. This is the key. You'd like to write PS on the bottom, because if they don't feel comfortable leaving a 5-star review, you certainly don't want to provide a link and have them leave a 1-star review. So what you want to let them know is just to hit reply and let us know what we could do better. Right? So if it's a 5-star review, click the link, click the 5 stars, put your review in, have a nice day. Or if you weren't happy, just hit reply and let us know what we could have done better. Now, I just put this email together in a couple of seconds. You may want to offer a prize or something extra, a gift certificate for leaving us a 5-star review. You may want to do something like that. That is against the terms of service. So that's why I didn't put it in, but you know, some people do that, I guess. But just click the link, leave the 5-star review, and you're good to go. So send that to a couple of clients. You have your one bad review done by Ashley Anna, and then you get 3 or 4 good reviews by some clients that were happy, and you X that out. So don't let anybody ruin your day. Don't let anybody take you off track. Somebody does something that's destructive to your business, or what they think is destructive business, all it does is fuel me up. It just fuels me up. It makes me want to do better things. I'll create some videos for my clients for free, something that they wouldn't have thought of. I'll create some links. I will come up with different ideas. I'll do some social posts for myself or for my clients that I wouldn't have done before. Let your haters make you better. That's basically what I said. Let your haters make you better. Just get better from them. And don't worry about getting them back. It's just a waste of time. If this video helped you, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. Trying to build it up as we speak. Leave some comments below. What technique did you like? Is there anything that you would have done different? Has this ever happened to you? Have you ever received a fake Google or Yelp review? And if so, what did you do? Let me know. I'm really interested in learning. If I could help you out with your SEO, if you have any questions about reviews or getting ranked in Google, my email address, and I'll put it below, is Bretmoleta@gmail.com. Once again, I'll put it in the description box below. Bretmoleta@gmail.com. Feel free to shoot me an email with any questions, or I'll reply to any of your questions that you have in the comment box. Please leave a comment below. And I appreciate your time, and I really hope that this helped you. Have a good day. Don't let those haters get you.